plane.
The aircraft debris found on Reunion Island is indeed from MH370.
This serial number, 657BB, the determining factor. It's from a Boeing 777, and Flight 370 was the only one missing worldwide. Authorities also say the debris has specific parts matching it to Malaysia Airlines.
Every piece of the airplane that we can find will hopefully give us some clues, but it's only going to tell us what happened when that airplane hit the water.
The recovered wing fragment is called a flaperon. The 8-foot-long part controls landing speed. That is the last radio transmission from the flight, with 239 people on board. Investigators are now examining barnacles on the debris, looking for geographical clues. They're using microscopes to check for any signs of breakage or shearing.
We will look to see if there are any traces, any particular holes, any traces of an explosion.
Australian researchers now have a video simulating Indian Ocean currents. That will show them how the debris may have made its 2,500-mile journey. New at 11, a beautiful night for the start of a fair. Arlington County kicked off its festivities tonight. For the first time, a parade replaced the usual opening ceremonies. That fair runs through Sunday. Sure would be nice if the weather could stay the way it is tonight out there, huh?
That would be good. We had our own little barbecue out back here at work today.
Yeah, good time out there, huh?
Yeah, it was good stuff. Yeah, around here, the weather-wise, it's going to be cooler, so that's good news. But we could see some showers tomorrow and Friday. Yeah. But the weekend is good. So
no washout.
It could be heavy in spots, but I think the best chance is going to be south of town.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking right now. So put a little asterisk there. I'm allowed to make an adjustment tomorrow. So get new data. Outside today, we got to 93. We did it again. We've had it 13 times in a row now. We've said it. 13 90-degree or greater days in a row here in Washington. But that streak comes to an end tomorrow as a different air mass starts to move into the area. 88 the norm this time of year. Sun was down at 8:15. We'll be back up tomorrow morning at 6:13 a.m. We're losing a few minutes of daylight each and every day. 77 right now, Morningside. 77 in Culpeper. 68 Oakton. 72 in Southern Maryland. And look at these highs today. Morningside was 89 today. 95 in Culpeper. 92 in Oakton. 92 in Helen, Maryland, down in Southern Maryland. It was a hot day, yes. I won't argue with that, but it was not nearly as intense with that humidity. This is just a prime example of just how much the city can hold in the heat with the concrete and the glass and the asphalt. 82 degrees downtown, but already down to 66 in Gaithersburg, 66 in Martinsburg, right now 79 at Dulles, and we are watching a cooler air mass move in here on the heels of a northerly breeze, which will help bring in some more comfortable air for the next couple of days. But with the cooler air, also will be coming some clouds and eventually some showers. Watching the big picture here, see a few showers down through southwestern Virginia. Those pass to our south, not a big deal, but a little further off to the west, there is an area of low pressure, unsettled weather, and this is going to churn eastward. And we've been watching the very latest throughout the day, and it looks like the bulk of the heavy stuff probably will pass to our south, but we're still in its kind of periphery, in sight, if you will. So tomorrow morning, dry, maybe a few mountain spritzes or sprinkles, and then through the afternoon tomorrow, watch some of these showers try to work their way through. Notice the bulk stays down to the south, but once again, this could be adjusted a little way here or there, north or south. Even into Friday morning, some passing showers are a possibility. And then by Friday night, it moves out of here, and we're back into some drier weather. Could be nice for the weekend. Now, this is just one model's interpretation from earlier, and it keeps us like very minor amounts, quarter to half an inch, but does put some heavier amounts down to the south if it continues to be on that southerly course. So through the overnight, 60s, partly cloudy, mild, fairly comfortable for all of us. Tomorrow throughout the day, clouds will be on the increase. And by the afternoon, some showers and thunderstorms become a little bit more likely. But once again, not everyone may get on the action, especially if you're north of town. Friday morning showers exit in the weekend. Comfortable, pleasant, mid-80s.
All right. In the meantime, on those weather conditions, Skin's about to roll out the red carpet for some visitors coming to town.
Yeah, you a fan of Hard Knocks?
Yes and no. Okay. You know, I can take it. I get it what it's about. Not crazy about it.
They coming. The Redskins get ready for J.J. Watt and the Texans. And did the Nats throw the game against the Diamondbacks away like this Aaron Barrett play? The answer is on the other side.
Closed captioning is brought to you by Luna.
Get beautiful new floors right now with Luna's incredible 70% off sale. Visit Luna.com or call
877-241. Luna.
No, I never did it. Oh my gosh, it's the guy from last night. What? Can I jump on your Wi-Fi?
Yeah, you try it.
Hey.
I had a really good time last night.
Yeah, me too.
The only thing is that